It's time for the cheap solution for your HDMI conversion. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to make a review about the Nedis HDMI converter. So the reason why I bought this, I was searching for a solution so I can capture AV devices. But of course I'm going to need a little bit of an upscaling. In my case my Elgato doesn't recognize signals below the 480p if I'm saying it correctly. So I was thinking, okay, and FrameWise is a very nice device, but it is pretty damn expensive. And I don't want to spend, let's say, €300 on a conversion device. So I came across this one, just wanted to check it out. I'm going to do some captures of different devices. Alright, let's do a little bit of an unboxing and checking out what are we going to get. So let's talk about the box itself. I really like the presentation of the product. It comes in this thick cardboard box that has this magnetic closing mechanism. Very nice, very cool. It has some basic explanations about what are you going to get and what you can use this product for. But right, nevertheless, let's do a little unboxing of what. Let's see what we're going to get. Alright, let's open it up. So this is what we're going to get. The product itself. The first thing that I'm noticing is that this thing is quite heavy. And that's something I really like about it. We're going to take a close look at it later. It comes with some extra manuals, some basic explanation how the product works. I'm going to explain it to you. Power supply. This can be used in other regions, so you can pull this one out and use this plug if you want. So what I already point out, I was searching for a cheap solution for upscaling my AV out signal. If you just want to play some old video games, or in my case I want to review some AV out products on my Elgato capture card. We're going to test it out of course, but let's do a little bit of an overview of the Nedis SCART to HDMI 720p and 1080p conversion. Alright, let's take a close look at the other side. We're having here the power LED, HDMI output, audio out, coaxial out, SCART HD. So if you're pressing this button, you can swap between the HDMI input and the SCART input. Here we can find the buttons for changing resolution to 720p and 1080p. And here we have the button where we can swap to the region. You're going to need this conversion. Keep in mind, you need to buy it separately. It's not included in this packaging. This is just an old Xbox version, but nevertheless, this is what you're going to need if you want to put this tulip in and want to use it on the conversion. I've tried it, it works perfectly. But keep in mind, full RGB has way better signal output.
Move this motherfucking whip. Hell yeah. Take that, fool. Come on, don't mess up this hoopty. Keep your eyes on the road. Slow.
Alright people, for the final conclusion about the Nedis SCART to HDMI converter. I am very pleased with this, so I'm going to tell you why that is. First of all, I really like how this metal casing that makes this thing feels like a quality product and keeps the PCB inside very cool. So this extra option you have here, this is very neat, for especially when you're having this 50 and 60 Hz, 720 and 80p switch. I really like it. My Elgato, they picked up the signal very well. I'm very happy because I wanted to capture more old game consoles or more China knockoffs. And these are working very well. Keep in mind, you need to have this little SCART block or conversion for using it with other signal, but it works just fine. This is what you're going to get. It doesn't come with an HDMI cable, so far I understand. Didn't come with mine. Let me know what you think of this. Are you searching for, let's say, a cheap but quality solution? I think this can be something you are searching for. Again, you have Framemeister. It is a very nice product. I really love to try it out someday, but it is very expensive. And personally, I don't need it. I don't need all the extra scan lines and all the extra stuff. I just want to have a simple device, plug and play, where I can capture some stuff. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.